Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the clay and tools so you can shape quickly. You want workable clay, not crumbly. Unwrap about 500 g air-dry clay and knead until soft and consistent. This eliminates cracks later. Once pliable, roll to an even thickness of roughly 1/4 inch and drape over an inverted bowl to form the donut outer curve. Make a small central hole with a cutter. This becomes the vase throat. Keep hands slightly damp to smooth seams and prevent drying too fast. Now you refine the form so the vase is balanced. You're shifting from basic shape to usable vessel. Once the clay sets a little, carefully trim excess at the base and even out walls to about 1/4 inch thickness. Thicker walls trap moisture and thin walls crack. Cut the central hole to 1 to 2 inches for stems and hollow the interior with a rounded tool to avoid weak spots. Make sure the profile is symmetric. Rotate the piece while refining so weight distributes evenly. Finish carefully so the vase holds water and looks clean. This is where function meets appearance. Once dry, sand any rough edges and apply a waterproof sealant or brush a thin resin coat inside. This prevents leaks and preserves the clay. Paint or glaze the exterior as you like, letting each layer dry fully. Once cured, test with a small cup of water to confirm the seal. If seepage appears, sand and recoat the interior. One good seal fixes most problems and extends vase life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.